Imagine you're starting a business. You need a way to receive payments from customers around the world. You've heard about Airwallex, but you're not sure if it's right for you. Is Airwallex a bank account? Let's dive in and find out. Airwallex is a global financial infrastructure platform. It offers a range of financial services, including international payments, currency exchange, and embedded finance. But is it a bank account? While Airwallex provides many of the services you'd expect from a traditional bank, it's not a bank in the traditional sense. It's a fintech company that partners with banks to offer its services. Key differences. Here are some key differences between Airwallex and a traditional bank. No physical branches. Airwallex is entirely digital. You don't have to visit a branch to open an account or conduct transactions. No FDIC insurance. While Airwallex takes measures to protect your funds, they are not insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, like traditional bank deposits. Limited banking features. Airwallex doesn't offer all the features of a traditional bank, such as loans, credit cards, or investment products. So, what can Airwallex do? Even though Airwallex isn't a bank, it can be a valuable tool for businesses that need to accept payments from customers around the world. Airwallex offers a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. Send and receive money internationally. Airwallex can help you send and receive money in over 130 currencies. Manage your finances online. Airwallex provides a user-friendly online platform for managing your transactions and finances. Who is Airwallex best for? Airwallex is a good option for businesses that operate internationally. If your business has customers or suppliers in multiple countries, Airwallex can help you streamline your international payments. Need a flexible and scalable financial solution? Airwallex's platform is designed to grow with your business. Prefer a digital-first approach? If you're not a fan of traditional banking, Airwallex's online-only model might be a good fit for you. So, is Airwallex a bank account? Not exactly. But it's a powerful financial tool that can help businesses of all sizes manage their international payments and finances. Whether Airwallex is the right choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. But if you're looking for a flexible, scalable, and digital-first solution, it's definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.